Tallest waterfalls. Hello, today we are embarking on an extraordinary journey to discover the tallest waterfalls around the world. James Bruce Falls, Canada. Our journey begins in the scenic landscapes of Canada, where we find James Bruce Falls, standing tall at 840 meters. Waterfalls, Norway. Now, we travel to the breathtaking fjords of Norway, where Waterfalls graces the landscape at 818 meters. Waterfalls Falls, Norway. Continuing our journey in Norway, we encounter Waterfalls Falls, a majestic cascade reach 865 meters. Waterfalls, Hawaii, USA. Our adventure takes us to the tropical paradise of Hawaii, USA, where Waterfalls flows gracefully at 792 meters. Three Sisters Falls, Peru. Journeying to South America, we discover the enchanting Three Sisters Falls in Peru, standing tall at 914 meters. Tugela Falls, South Africa. Moving to the southern tip of Africa, we find Tugela Falls, a towering cascade at 948 meters. Colonial Creek Falls, Washington State, USA. Crossing over to North America, we encounter Colonial Creek Falls in Washington State, USA, standing tall at 783 meters. Angel Falls, Venezuela. Our adventure reaches new heights in Venezuela, where Angel Falls, the world's tallest waterfall at 979 meters, takes center stage. Brown Falls, New Zealand. Down under in New Zealand, we discover Brown Falls, a majestic cascade reach 836 meters. Skolga Falls, Norway. Our waterfall adventure concludes in Norway, where Skolga Falls flows with beauty at 864 meters. We explored the heights of James Bruce Falls, Waterfalls, Waterfalls Falls, Waterfalls, Three Sisters Falls, Tugela Falls, Colonial Creek Falls, Angel Falls, Brown Falls, and Skolga Falls. Each waterfall tells a unique story of nature's grandeur. Goodbye for now.